Hello, my handmade girls! I think this DIY should be with my explanations in some places. The first part is quite easy. Just cut the t-shirt and make the knitted yarn.
Hold it together, but I'm losing my grip. I need someone who can make me feel better. Wrap me up in a sweater, treat my pain with a kiss. Then suddenly you are here, inside my head, everywhere. Where did you come from? I'm wondering, baby, are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming. I wish I had a girl like you, and I wish you could be real.
Start crocheting with a knot. Then crochet the chain of the 21 air loops.
Tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you. I fade away. Every day you're not with me. Baby, now that you've showed me what love could be like, what can I say? I know it sounds like I'm crazy, but I need to believe in you to get through my life. Then suddenly you are here, inside my head, everywhere. Where did you come from? I'm wondering, baby, are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming. I wish I had a girl like you, and I wish you could be real, but you're not really here, and I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna
Make one more air loop in the end.
with a girl like you.
Turn to another side. The first air loop, do not crochet. Need to crochet 10 single crochets.
Wanna get with a girl like you, girl like you, girl like you. I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Then suddenly you are here, inside my head, everywhere. Where did you come from? I'm wondering, baby, are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming.
In the center of the row, need to crochet 3 single crochet from the same 11th hole. So pay attention, 3 single crochets from the same 11th hole. Then continue crocheting. Crochet 5 rows in this way, adding 3 single crochets from the same hole in the center.
Girl like you, girl like you. I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you.
That is we have. Now we need to crochet single crochets without adding any loops or single crochets the following 10 rows. So just crocheting, no adding. Okay, now we need to decrease crochet stitches in the center of each row. Look at my actions. So crochet together 3 center loops, like this. We need to crochet in this way 5 rows.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me?
That is we have. The most hard part is done.
Oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, give me somebody, somebody to
Like that Marvin Gaye song, I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should to the basics. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We dance on the same wavelength. This feels like a new beginning. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip, trip, trip with you? Leaning on follow, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip, trip, trip with you? Leaning on follow, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let me? I dream that if I can hold you close, you can be my antidote. Let me run away with you tonight. Let us leave the world behind. Give in, keep yourself thinking. Tonight, let go and start dreaming. I was feeling down low, you just brought me straight up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, we're higher than the ceiling. I feel everything is spinning. I was feeling down low, you just brought me straight up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip, trip, trip with you? Leaning on follow, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip, trip, trip with you? Leaning on follow, leave us till tomorrow.
The back is ready actually, but if you want to add a lining or zipper, please make it. I spent about 100 meters of yarn for this bag. If you don't have the old t-shirt or you don't want to make this action of cutting the t-shirt, just buy the ready yarn and crochet this bag easy. Okay, thank you for attention. Hope you like this video. Please leave comments and put me likes or dislikes. And thank you for staying with me. Bye!